Pitney.
The lady the pack.
Why do I got the people things that them can't see for them one of them pit them, when them can't see them pit them go dead, and them can't see about them grand pit? Why them must about other people?
Exactly.
It's for everybody else.
It's annoying, man. It's in a can't complain about them son for me. I swear Ivan if you insult them all the time. You know why? Them very disrespectful and rude. I'm them alone, God know. God don't know way. God don't know nobody else.
It. Oh, Tada. I'm like, she come and first go insult me.
Rude, she put her on the first place, she put her on.
She about me Instagram. Why she have find me Instagram? When you come back my life, I give it 200 minutes, or she come back, you know, can me give it 2 hours and I tell her, don't come back. I say, no, look pan the live again. And she think I like me, I tell her.
But first and foremost, me I tell you which part she go wrong, cause me is a woman of God.
I will deliver. And she come, hold on, no. Listen, no. She not to say,
Never feel her last night.
Hold on, Taya.
Taya, we deliver her.
Taya, hold on, Taya. She not say, good morning, Destiny. And she come on the live. We glorify her. And she alright. I will tear up on her, so she go on. That's it, me never say, hold on.
It's so Jamaica one
And she dey pan, we deliver her, we deliver her.
Judging me, judging the blood clot.
Deliver.
Exactly. Oh, you fi deliver her. And you come from the phone and take all of the glory this morning.
Christian. And then she working for God, but you don't come out and take glory. Not take God glory.
Oh, you fi take God glory.
This morning.
Hold on, where's this Wendell?
May I ask me if a lady come back?
No, she come on the live.
Just come on Destiny live.
No, listen up. Hold on, no. Me tell her, no, me put her in her place. I know why she did come on my live already. And she tell me, so if you know God for myself, and me if you go do this, go baptize that's in my love. So me put her in her place. So when Ivan come, me know say she know when Ivan come on my live today now, since about 2 hours, 1 hour ago now. And so me realize, I'm saying no, say, and they must say like she did on the live attack. I say a long time she has sent me request. But she send me the request more than 1 time, about 20 times me request. Me no answer her. Me no know if she come from my life one day and me love I just pray she want to come with the demons. So me don't add her again. Me no add her. You know how long she want me add her in the ear she depend. You know how long me send the request from the other day. You're not adding me. I know the reason why. Me no idiot. Look how me add everybody. Me no add her. Me know the reason why. But me have to put her on her place today. Yes, she say my lady P.
So rude.
I put her on her place today.
Angel attack last night. This
is what Ivan said today. When she did on my life, Ivan said that's the reason why she never go back on the life. She go to her bed and turn off her phone and go. She said she turn off her phone and go and walk. Because Ivan said that woman is she evil. She was over 20 plus. Bring down Ivan the wicked and then say she come back and pray.
Ivan said more than one time.
Woman of God, oh you fear bring down people.
Yeah.
I'm a woman of God, oh you fear bring down people.
And let me tell you something. Let me tell you something again. If Ivan, you hear she said she never ever tap live and she don't know who and tap that I first lie she tell.
She wicked, it's so she lie and she know what about the mix up. She know.
Only Kay and Tanisha me feel last night.
But let me tell her this, there's nothing Miss Ivani. As simple as you see her on her internet there and she did it and she play her and she talk to her, interact with her fans and she play her music and she talk to her dog and whatever.
Nobody not judging her.
On the internet, she know everything. So if she says she did over 12, she did over 12. Then if you stop it.
True.
Listen guys, hold on. If you're getting it wrong, nobody's not bringing her or nobody's not judging her. Listen, let me say something. Why when something bad happened to you, you see they're running and coming. She say Kay on the life. Kay see someone. Kay and Ivan play and Kay see someone. Kay start to pray to Ivan. Why do you come on the life choose to come and pray now? You should have send the comment here just too extra.
Extra bad for you last night.
Sweet
when the next woman come on and start praying, next woman will call Kay. She shut up.
No, I can't call her. I can't call the lady because the lady are friend.
We feel that the lady have
the lady, they not here we talk. We not feel that the woman.
Yeah, Tanisha alone me feel. Tanisha, when Tanisha come on the live, me say me know that voice yeah. Me know that voice yeah. And me say, oh Jesus, yeah man.
Me not like when people pray for people like that. Me not like it.
Get them breakthrough. Me not ask last night. Me feel that woman there.
First and foremost, I go tell her, me tell her, oh, Tanisha, live for God.
Them may say them they not feel her, that's why I came mute her. But she like,
I tell her why me know say Tanisha live for God. So when Tanisha come on the live, Tanisha say, you know, so me see live I go on and me sit down and I watch and me not jump on the live. But okay, you know why me come now and I go pray because you call me. You understand? The woman sit back and she see what go on. But she should just jump on and send request.
Yeah, but them a say, listen what them say now. Cause today me Ivan the panel live. Them a say it's like Tanisha say, okay, let's like Casey someone about us. I want to say someone but good about Ivan and like Tanisha say, let's go. And they said the woman nah get a chance for talk.
Yes,
Nah,
that's
get
true.
talk.
She just a chat, she just a flyer mouth, she just a flyer chopper, so me say